Good morning, frequent flyers. It's now 7 AM on a Sunday morning, and today we are flying to Brunch. Here we are at the west ramp of Trenton Mercer Airport, and today we fly on board the November 6940 Papa. Our captain today is Jack, who will be taking us on a pre-flight walk around. Let's follow him.
During the walk around, we follow our checklist. We check the interior of the aircraft, the flight control system, the fuel, the tires, the brakes, the engine, everything we might need during the flight. So from the left-hand side of the aircraft, we're gonna walk around all the way around in the aircraft, so let's follow me. So first, we check the baggage compartment, make sure it is closed and locked. And then we check the back of the aircraft and fuselage. There's no cracks, no damages. We do sweeps from top to the bottom. So now we are checking the fuel of the aircraft, just to see if there are any waters and contamination in the fuel. As you can see, the normal aviation jet fuel should be blue color for this type of aircraft. And then if there's any water, due to the density differences, you can see pretty obviously where's the oil, where's the fuel, where's the water, where's the fuel. So as you can see, it's all blue, all clear, no contamination. We're good for this tank. Now we're checking the oil of the aircraft, which basically we want to make sure it's between 5 and 8 quarters. And then now as you can see, it's below 8, so at about 7, we're good for the oil. So we got a new feature right here of this aircraft, the strobe light. It's now LED strobe lights, as you can see. It's not the old one, now they replaced the new generation, which is bright during the night.
Now that we are all set and ready to go, let's get on to this Cessna 172 Skyhawk.
来吧，架上吧。Fuel shut off in, cabin air heat, set expired, electronic static stores, check on off, mixture idle cut off, normal idle. And now stator panel tested. A master off, light pilot vehicle heat.
Here's our safety briefing for today's flight.
Alright, as the every commercial flight can take, we have safety briefing for this aircraft. So seatbelts pointing like this.
It's a shoulder harness seatbelt on this Cessna 172.
Secured to the left hand side of the aircraft and locked. You got 2 emergency exits on this door on this aircraft, one on the left, one on the right. During emergency evacuation, open the door like this, push it out and evacuate. During a forced landing, before the landing, make sure the door is in unlocked position, better for evacuation. We got a fire extinguisher down here in case of the cabin fire or sort of avionics fire. We pull the fire extinguisher out and extinguish the fire. During the takeoff and landing phases, I'll be pretty busy, so we will maintain minimum communications and maintain cockpit silence. Is there any questions?
No, I think we're all ready to go.
Alright.
940 Papa Trenton ground, runway 6, taxi via hotel, cross the approach and runway 16, Golf Alpha Juliet taxiways. Runway 6 hotel, Golf Alpha Juliet, class line 16 hotel, Skyhawk, window up. 440 Papa Trenton Tower, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
For those of you who's not familiar, Trenton Mercer is a regional airport located at Mercer County, New Jersey. The only scheduled commercial service to this airport is operated by Frontier Airlines. Today we are flying to the northwest from Trenton to Sky Manor Airport located in Hunterdon County, New Jersey. Total flying distance is about 26 miles, so at 100 knots of speed, the flight took only 15 minutes. As you can see, the flight today is slightly choppy during our final, so we're putting it at a longer final than usual into Sky Manor Airport, which is a privately owned general aviation airport here at Pittstown, New Jersey. There's no air traffic control tower, meaning that you are responsible for your own communications with other pilots in the region. Sky Manor Airport is privately owned, and there is a restaurant built right beside the taxiway in front of which you can see here, and that's where Jack and I were having brunch. Now please enjoy the scenery on our way back as we conducted low pass at 1,000 feet over Princeton University.
Good morning, Skyhawk 6940 Papa. 6940 Papa Trenton Tower. 6940 Papa up on 9 miles to the northeast. With information Bravo, request full stop termination. 40 Papa, report joining the right midfield downwind runway 6. Report joining the right midfield downwind for runway 6, 40 Papa. 40 Papa, runway 6 clear to land. 40 Papa, runway 6 clear to land.
Here we are, touching down back at Trenton Mercer Airport. Thank you all for watching along, and I hope you had enjoyed this unique perspective from a co-pilot seat. Please let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more actions in a Cessna or any suggestions to my destinations. In the meantime, I hope you all enjoy flying until we meet again.